You may have thought at some point in life that Tesla had reached the peak in performance, durability, and low-maintenance design. Here's a spoiler: there's something extremely beloved by people, and it's a brilliant move by the brand. Buckle up and get ready, because you're about to understand how Tesla is taking the world to another level. Elon Musk has just unveiled Tesla's newest motor, and it's already causing a stir in the industry. Say hello to the hairpin motor, the revolutionary driving unit that is making electric cars even more competitive. Not only with previous generations of electric cars, but now they will also compete with combustion engine cars. That's right, we're talking about a motor that promises to change the game forever, and I'm here to show you why. Let's dive deep into the benefits of this hairpin motor and why everyone is talking about it when it comes to Tesla. There's no denying that Tesla has its lovers and brand enthusiasts. But one thing we can all agree on is that they are making significant advancements in the world of electric cars. With their mission to reduce costs and improve the environment, they are using software to model the best configuration and a unique design that involves welding without the use of rare earth minerals. This has resulted, to give you an idea, in a powertrain consisting of a $1,000 motor and a $5,000 battery, making their mass-market vehicle not only viable but also highly profitable. But what's truly exciting is their new motor technology, known as hairpin motors. There's nothing like it on the market. We've never seen anything like this before, and everything about it is more compact, lighter, and more advanced. One of the most impressive features of this motor is its fill factor. Basically, it means that the motor has a fill factor of up to 0.7, compared to the 0.4 to 0.6 you would find in conventional round wires. This means the motor has better thermal performance and allows for a highly automated manufacturing process. The new inverter design is a game changer. It's much more compact than a built-in high-voltage connector and a data connector. There's so much technology involved that you can't even imagine. And when you remove the cast cover, you can see it with your own eyes. They have also optimized the motor layout and improved the assembly of the cooling system. They used friction-welded parts to assemble it, and the result is quite impressive. Now you might be wondering about the motor filter. It's no longer a user-replaceable part, but that's because they really don't need to be replaced during the car's lifespan. Moreover, this hairpin motor has a lower risk of long-term failures. But that's not all. Hairpins can carry more current than round wires, generating less heat in the winding and the motor. This simply simplifies temperature management and greatly improves reliability both in terms of usage and long-term motor lifespan. Additionally, the symmetrical and solid shape of these motors makes winding much easier compared to round wires. They don't even need stator tie-downs like round wires do, making the assembly process much simpler. In other words, with this innovation, Tesla has set yet another new industry standard in the world of electric motors. I would say it's an exciting time to be alive. Hairpin designs offer numerous benefits compared to traditional round wire motors, such as precise positioning and a cleaner design. That's why companies like Volkswagen, BMW, and General Motors have already embraced this new trend. Stay tuned as we explore further and discover how this revolutionary hairpin motor is shaping the future of electric vehicles. However, the implementation of hairpin technology is not without its flaws. Pay attention, one of the biggest obstacles is the bending and welding process, as a small mistake can cause electrical losses. However, Tesla's customized software has revolutionized the game by modeling and simulating the entire motor along with its rotating electric field, allowing them to quickly iterate through millions of designs to choose the best one. Now, what truly sets Tesla apart is its commitment to sustainability. We need to talk about it. They recently announced that the next generation of motors will no longer use rare earth metals. This was just the beginning and caused quite a stir in the industry. They come up with revolutions, but we can't forget that up until now, since the first car, things have been done in the same ways. These rare metals are essential components of the motor and can cost over $100 per kilogram. By eliminating the need for them, guess what? Tesla can save hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars in the long run, while also reducing the environmental and social impacts of mining and obtaining these materials. And if you're there wondering if this will affect the motor's performance, the answer is quite clear: no. In fact, Tesla claims that these new motors will be even more efficient and cost-effective, just like they did with their cars before. Elon Musk's announcement has already caused some turbulence in the market, with the stocks of rare earth metal mining companies being drastically affected after Tesla's announcement. But at the end of the day, the biggest benefit goes to, obviously, Tesla, which will be able to scale its production much more quickly without worrying about obtaining rare materials. And for us humans, knowing that the Earth will be less harmed, I could even say that it's a victory for both sides, both for Tesla and the environment. As for the people who will become obsolete or the materials that won't be needed anymore, they will have to adapt. One thing is certain: we cannot continue treating the world the way we have until now. Thanks to some colleagues here on YouTube, we can now take a closer look at this motor. First, let's talk about the weight. The whole assembly weighs nothing less than 88 kilograms, which is not bad considering the power it possesses. Speaking of power, this new unit is actually an evolution of the previous drive motor released by Tesla back in 2017 for the Model 3. But what sets this new design apart is the completely new inverter, which, as we can see, is much more compact than before and features a new cooling assembly. The overall configuration is the same, but it has been optimized in many areas to make it easier to manufacture and possibly extend the motor's lifespan, as I mentioned earlier. However, there is an incredible downside to this new design, which is quite simple to understand: the oil filter is no longer replaceable by us users. But as I mentioned before, we don't need to worry because it should last as long as the vehicle does, without the need for replacement. For me, this is a very smart upgrade in this new design. Now, tell me, did you enjoy this more technical video with a bombastic innovation in the automotive world? If so, please like and share this video with another car enthusiast friend, just like you and me. And remember, I upload new videos every day. I'll even see you tomorrow. Lately, we have witnessed a significant and noticeable increase in the number of electric vehicles circulating on the streets. However, the Toyota brand and manufacturer,